In this video, you're gonna build this, a beer gun that you can grab and shot in Unity. We already have movement and interaction set up from the previous video. Now we're going to add weapons to our scene. First, import your weapons assets from the Unity assets stored. I'm using a low poly weapon pack and a simple bullet model. Once everything is imported, go to the models folder and drag weapon 01 to the scene. Now let's make this gun grabbable. Select the weapon in the hierarchy, add component, box collider. Adjust the collider so it fits the shape of the gun. Add component, XR Grab Interactable. This will add a rigid body too. Collision detection continues. In XR Grab Interactable, set movement type to instantaneous. Let's test it quickly. Enter play mode and try grabbing the gun. I can grab the gun with both controllers, but it feels a little off, so let's fix that. Select the weapon, right click, create empty, rename it attach point, and this is where the player is gonna grab the gun from. Toggle tool handle rotation, local, rotation, y-axis, -90. So the blue arrow points forward. Now let's go back to weapon 01, XR Grab Interactable, attach transform, drag attach point, test again. Now when you grab the gun, it points forward. Now let's make the gun shot. Project window, assets, right click, create, folder, scripts, right click, create, mono behavior script or C# script, simple gunshot, double click to open. This script spawns a bullet at a fire point, pushes it forward using velocity. Ctrl S to save, back in Unity, drag the script to weapon, select the weapon, scroll all the way down, and you will see the bullet prefab and the fire point. Let's create the bullet prefab. Let's go to models, drag the bullet light 1 to the scene, right click, prefab, unpack completely. Double click, expand, and we need the bullet to be facing this direction with the blue arrow. Select bullet light 01, rotation, y-axis 90, bullet light 01 2, rotation, y-axis 90. Now I'm gonna drag this so it matches the best we can. That's acceptable. And now our bullet is facing the same direction as the blue arrow. Click on bullet light 01, rename it to fixed. Now in bullet light fixed, add component, sphere collider, and add the following values for center and radius. Add component, rigid body, collision detection, continues. Now drag this bullet to the models folder and we have our prefab. Now we can delete this, go back to weapon, scroll down, bullet prefab, and drag your prefab. Now the fire point, right click, create empty, fire point, select the fire point, and I'm going to position this right here. Rotation, y-axis, -90, and it's facing this position. Remember to have toggle tool handle rotation in local. Let's go back to weapon 01, scroll down, and make the reference. Fire point. Finally, in XR Grab Interactable, interactable events, scroll all the way down, activate plus track the weapon because it has a script. Select simple gun shot and the function shot. And now let's test it out. Now let's make our bullet to interact with some objects in our scene. In the hierarchy, filter, type jogs, select the first one, hold shift, select the last one, add component, next to box collider, add component, rigid body, collision detection, continues. And now let's test it out. Hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.